We again in Center World. I want to buy new watches for me because I hate Apple Watches, and I finally decided to buy a new accessory. It's hard to find. G-Shock looks cool, but I would check our options. Maybe I would find something better. I bought it. I want one pair as well. In Center World, they do all sorts of events, mostly every day. Today we are selling merch, I guess. Thank you.
Dwa съешь.
I waited for so long. I was so tired of not regular Apple Watches because they are mostly useless. And I wanted something that would have an alarm and tell me time, and like perfect solution for $100. And it looks kind of cool. So it's my daily driver for next 3 years, I guess, or even more. So inside we had watches, bag, and I thought that watches don't need big manuals, but look how big it is. Crazy. And I would have 1 year warranty global. I don't know what would happen with them as well, but so let's try. They're very comfortable to wear. Looks cool, and I can see in the night what happens. Happy buyer.
Вот этот получается. Так, скрин. Ну давай вот.
We decided to go to the cinema for Furiosa movie. In Bangkok, I started watching movie too often, maybe, because in the past I didn't go to cinema mostly never. They place street food vendors in the middle of the shop. I bought for lunch pork Thai bot noodle number 3. Here you need to buy a card, usually on such food courts, and after you pay, later you can exchange it back for money. Thank you. This place more expensive than place where we usually eat in such food courts, but it's much cleaner and not so many people here. It's the view that you can get on food court for 200 baht for 2 persons. I love when the popcorn's still warm because it's much tastier than one that was made long time ago.
สัญญาว่าจะไม่ลืมวันเกิดอีกแล้วนะตัวเองแต่ถ้ากดไหลย้อนวันเกิดย่อมเป็นพอกัน
I We finished watching Furiosa movie. It was fun. I recommend it to everyone. But this time they did it differently. They added actual movie instead of just fast action. So yeah. And now we are going to Terminal 21 to buy some clothes and maybe have a dinner. Shopping mall works till 10 p.m. but most of restaurants close around 9 p.m. and we wanted to eat but no chance. We would order delivery at home. See you. Thanks for watching. Hope you did like it. Bye bye.